Hello, thanks for your time today. Today we're going to be doing a quick introduction to GitLab AnswerBase. My name is Devin Harris. I'm a senior field security analyst on the risk and field security team here at GitLab. And on this slide, you can see the makeup of our team. This top link links out to our handbook page, and it describes what we do here at GitLab. Our team has really matured over Q3 of 2020. And now we're starting to bring more self-service capabilities to our core customers. Our core customers are the field team, also known as sales and customer success. The risk and field security team is here to serve you, and we absolutely love working with the field team. But we also realize that we have limited resources. You can see the entire makeup of our team here. I'm the directly responsible individual for all things field security, and I do have a new counterpart who will be joining me here on the 16th of November. We all report up to Megan Manival, and most of you have probably already had interaction with our team. But I'm also sure some of you have had interactions where they've been less than optimal. For instance, submitting a customer security questionnaire to our team and then having to wait 2 weeks to get it out the door. This is a thing that we would like to be minimal or non-existent. And we're really trying to help solve this by releasing more self-service tools. Which brings me to what we're here for today. We're introducing GitLab AnswerBase. The purpose of AnswerBase is to speed time to response for customer questions and concerns, while improving accuracy and repeatability in the questions that we're answering. Here we link out to the GitLab AnswerBase handbook page. And in the next slide, we will go through a brief introduction. This links to the same page, the GitLab AnswerBook page. And then we link out to our procedures as well. For most individuals who are watching this, you'll be an end user. So you will do one of two things, either ask a new question or search for new questions, and then we'll dive right into a demo. As a reminder, please always feel free to message us in SEC Field Security and Slack. This links directly to that channel. We have a link to the project for AnswerBase, which will take you to the issues board. That's where we're going to do our demo from. And then we have an issue linked here for feedback. If you have feedback on improvements or areas for growth, please let us know. And with that, we're going to jump into just a quick demo. So GitLab AnswerBase is built off of GitLab issues. The good news is you likely already know how to use the system. It's just in a different way than you've used issues before. So we make use of an issue board. Open questions are questions that are currently being answered or revised. They're not recommended to be included in responses to customers without checking in first. Closed questions are questions that have been verified and are solid. These can be used without checking in. So the majority of your use cases will be in closed questions. Let's go to the last page. And we'll just look at this question. You can see there are several things here. The question is always going to be at the top. The subject will usually be the question. The exception here is if it is a very long question or the question is specific to a single customer, we will often abstract the subject or the title of the issue to be a shorter title. So that way it's readable from the issue board and it makes sense what's going to be in there. And then the full question text will be down here. We make use of flags here. So you can see this applies to our software as a service or GitLab.com. Other things you might see here are NDA required, which means that all or a portion of an answer requires an NDA prior to sending it out. And also self-managed, which represents a self-hosted or enterprise version of GitLab, anything other than GitLab.com. We have a short answer and a detailed response. The short answer should be good enough for most customers, and most short answers will not require an NDA. Detailed responses are where we might get into requiring an NDA and usually expound upon what we find in the short answer. We link to applicable references. So in this case here, we're linking to the handbook page on production architecture. And then we map to various control frameworks. Here we have GitLab control framework family. We have keywords that are linked. This is just to help with searching. And I'll show you in a minute here where that comes into play. And then we have an answer owner or answer owner team tagged. If you have any questions or issues with a particular question and answer pair, please feel free to make use of the comments functionality down here. And please feel free to tag our team and we'll take a look at it. All right, the exciting thing here is being able to open a new question. So let's say you get a question that you search through and you can't find any answers here. You can just use a new question template. The requester instructions are pretty simple. You're just going to put what you searched for. This is where keywords come in. So let's say you search for Google Analytics. I can't spell today, apparently. And like big data, just some buzzwords. All you need to do here is paste in the full question text and then paste either the full question here or a summary of the full question. GitLab Issues does have a title length of 255 characters. So if it's longer than 255 characters, you will get an error. But once that's done, just assign the issue to yourself and submit the issue, and my team will take it from there. We will work with a subject matter expert to draft and approve an answer and then link it. Anyways, that is a quick introduction to GitLab's AnswerBase, and we're really excited to be bringing this out. We're really excited to get your feedback on how the system works for you. And please, as always, feel free to leave feedback in the feedback issue or just message us in the field security channel on Slack. Thank you so much for your time. Look forward to working with you. Have a great day.